What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So without much fanfare, Google decided to show the fall flagships, the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro models. The word show best describes what happened. Fresh renders of the smartphones that appeared on the company's blog and a description of their greatness. A small handful of American journalists were invited to the Google office, where they showed the capabilities of the new devices, allowed them to be supported in their hands. And we are going to discuss this in detail, including fresh renders, latest features, new SoC and much more. Please watch the full video content. We are used to seeing announcements from the Asian companies. American corporations do not indulge us with such things, since the approach set by Apple prevails on the market to keep new items secrets until the last moment and then tell everything about them all at once. Google decided to take a completely different path, and there are many reasons for this. But the main thing to understand is that this is a typical behavior for any company in the world, and such an announcement could not have arisen from scratch. Let's go over the bits of the information that are known about the models, so as not to dwell on this latter. Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro models different in screens. In the first version, in its FHD Plus resolution, flat display, refresh rate 90 Hz, 6.4 inches display. The second version has a QHD Plus screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate and slight bends at the edges, 6.7 inches diagonal. Both models have a sub-screen fingerprint scanner as well as a Titan M2 security chip. The capacity of the batteries is unknown, but both devices promise 1 day of operation. The chassis of the device is made of aluminum. In the younger model it is matte. In the older one it is glossy. Alas, nothing is said about the case materials, but we see a new block of cameras. The camera unit in the Pixel 6 Pro consists of 3 modules: main, wide angle and telephoto, with 4x optical zoom. The younger model has one less module. They have abandoned telephoto lens. What sensors are used is completely unclear, but these are new modules that have not yet been used in the other devices. A key feature is Google's own Tensor processor, an SoC designed specifically for Pixel smartphones and is not used anywhere else. No word has been said about who was involved in the development of the processor, but rumors claim that it is Samsung, with the technical details sorted out. Now let's dwell on the processor, since it is of the greatest interest. The name Tensor hides the main feature of the SoC. It has a separate module responsible for AI algorithms. This is exactly the same solution that Google uses in its data center servers. The only difference is that in this case, the chip was made for mobile devices. And this is undoubtedly the strong point of Google. The company has learned various AI algorithms, and specialized chip will allow them to implement it for smartphones and achieve high performance. In 2021, the positioning of the Google Pixel 6 can be described as a return to basics. These are devices that can be considered flagships of the maximum level. This is how they are perceived in Google. The older model should be a competitor to the Ultra line from Samsung. The price will be appropriate. No half measures. Prices at the level of the most expensive smartphones from competitors. And this is immensely surprising, since to popularize the line, not flagships are needed, but models of the middle segment. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.